Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to improve design of your matrix of your table. Let's see what we can do. First of all, the layout and style. What do we have here? I would like to use none actually and use it without background. Yeah, so looks like that, but we have a lot of options here. This minimal design, like border, header, alternative rows, etc. But I think most convenient way is here. The second one, you can add some grids like here and here. It's kind of not bad. Border, better, I think so. Change the text of the color as alternatives. Change the color header. I usually use black. Yeah. And like this column grand total and other. And the most interesting things is like these arrows. When I would like to emphasize the deviation, we go to the cell element, and here we can see icons. Yeah, and here apply to values in total. When we can choose rules or field value, I would like to use rules, and when the value is more than 0 and less than like some maximum number, yeah, so show the green one, and minus the same number, so I add the same number but with minus, and less than 0, so the red one. That's how it's work. I think it's like looks like good one. Also, I would like to show you how to add this beautiful border, visual border. So this, I would like to use border in my matrix. So that's all what I would like to show here. Thank you.